Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding Dogecoin in your Trust wallet and want to move it over to Binance for trading or staking, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the simple steps to withdraw Dogecoin from Trust wallet to Binance in 2025. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to avoid any mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. First things first, make sure you have both Trust Wallet and Binance apps installed and updated on your device. Start by opening your Trust Wallet app. Navigate to the Dogecoin wallet by scrolling through your assets or using the search function. Once you're in your Dogecoin section, tap on the Send or Withdraw button. This will prompt you to enter the recipient's address. Before you do that, hop over to your Binance app or website. Log into your account, go to the Wallet section, and select Dogecoin from your assets. Click on Deposit for Dogecoin, and Binance will generate a unique deposit address. Copy this address carefully. It's usually a long string of letters and numbers. Make sure you're on the correct network. For Dogecoin, it's typically the Dogecoin network itself. Now, back in Trust Wallet, paste the Binance deposit address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to withdraw, but remember to leave enough for any network fees. Review the transaction details one last time to ensure everything looks correct. Once you're ready, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your wallet's security features, like Face ID or a PIN. After that, sit tight. Transactions can take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Binance wallet to confirm the Dogecoin has arrived. Pro tip: always start with a small test amount if you're new to this. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw Dogecoin from Trust Wallet to Binance in 2025. If you run into any issues, double-check the network compatibility and your addresses. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video.